My name is Juan Diaz. I was born in Colombia. I live in Naples, Florida, and I am a visual artist. The live performance art series is my invitation to live the creative process without interruptions. The piece tells a story by unpredictable flow and color that transforms as the light and sounds alter, all in one metamorphose. My father was my first mentor, and he was the basis of a lot of the structure that I have as an artist. So he was very crucial, not just as an individual, but as in my artistic career. And towards the end, he was my right-hand man.
My name is Amy Schler. I'm CEO and Executive Director of the Naples Art Association. I think Juan's work is fresh and young and enlightening and fantastic in a community that is a little bit older. He brings a fresh perspective and it's edgy, and that's what I like about it.
The essence of my work is based on freedom, equality, acceptance. It's in portraying what makes us all human, our human experience. It has touched subjects as the importance of family union as the core of society. And in this one in specific, I talk about the importance to reconnect with nature.
The reason we ask Juan to participate in our gala is because of his light series performance, which is unlike anything else out there. It's unique and it's interesting, and to see the finished product on the outside, knowing that he's working from the inside, is just fascinating.
The title of this performance is We Are All Nature, Seek Your Essence. At the beginning of times, we had a basic understanding of our part in nature. As we grew in our humanity and then we became wiser, our natural instinct to dominate started to destroy nature. And I feel that it's our time right now to make a transformation, to make a change, and find our way to a balance point, before it's too late. That is the essence of this performance that I'm presenting tonight.